something new, of something unseen, something similar to a breakthrough. Because our fathers willed the high-performance boats 100 years ago. It's not a first step because we've been running for years. It's not a launch, as we have already taken off. It's not imaginary. We are already living in it. It's one of our fastest and sophisticated piece of evidence that's been designed. The emotional heart beats inside the only sporty boat designed for 7. And we've been putting together the lightest, fastest, and most durable speedboat 7 years ago. This is not the end. This is only the beginning. This is who we are. And yet, it is a start. Performance engineered by Dingy Flybird.